When a woman senses you've truly lost interest, everything flips. The vibe shifts, the power balance changes, and suddenly she sees you differently. This isn't about games. It's about masculine strength reclaiming your focus and realizing you're not here to chase approval. You're here to build, grow, and own yourself. If you're tired of giving energy to someone who doesn't value it, this is for you. When you detach not with anger, but with cold clarity, it triggers something deep in her. Your attention isn't guaranteed, and that's power. Every man faces this moment, choosing himself out of self-respect, not ego. When your world stops orbiting her validation, she feels it. That's when curiosity replaces comfort. That's when desire reignites, not because you tried, but because you became unpredictable. A mystery. Mystery is masculine, predictability is not. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one." That's this video, not begging to be seen, walking away when you're not, letting your presence speak, not your words. If she doesn't see it, her loss. Today, I'll break it down in 7 powerful parts. What happens when she feels your emotional detachment, how to stop chasing, how to become the one who decides. If you're ready to value yourself more than being liked, stay locked in. This channel is for men ready to rewire and dominate. If that's you, subscribe now. We go deep. Open your mind, reclaim your power. When you stop caring, she starts noticing. When you pull back, she starts chasing. When you rise, she either levels up or gets left behind. Number 1, the shift in her energy. The moment you detach, her vibe changes fast. Shorter texts, longer glances, random just checking in messages. This isn't love, it's control. You were predictable, now you're unknown. Calm, detached. She feels the void where your energy used to be. Feminine energy thrives on attention. Your silence, it screams. Most men panic, they chase harder. That's weakness. Your detachment, that's power. The power to walk away, to hold your frame. Seneca, the man who craves more is poor. Stop craving her approval, you become full. She'll either rise to meet you or fade. Both are wins. Number 2, the power shift. The second you stop prioritizing her emotionally, the tables turn. You used to text first, reply instantly, be emotionally available. You thought it made her secure. It made you predictable. Predictability kills respect. Complacency creeps in. She stops valuing you, but now you've stopped feeding the connection. Now she's wondering what you're doing. She's questioning your peace. Epictetus. True wealth is having few wants. Your power isn't in how much you give, it's in how little you need her. She'll reach, test, provoke, don't bite, don't rush back, stay unmoved. That's masculine strength. Number 3, when silence hits her. Silence is your loudest weapon, not spite, not strategy, genuine disinterest. Women expect communication validation. When you go quiet, she questions everything. She replays texts, examines her actions, feels the weight of your absence. Most men break the silence, they reach out to fix it. Don't let her feel the loss. Marcus Aurelius, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Your response, silence, distance, calm. Let your absence remind her of your value. Number 4, the tests begin. Now she tests, not with affection, with pressure, sarcastic, where you bin posts to get your attention, acting like she doesn't care to see if you do. This is her trying to regain control. If you react, you fail. Marcus Aurelius, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Let her test. Stay still. A woman respects a man she can't rattle. If her tests don't move, your attraction deepens. She either submits to your frame or removes herself. Win either way. Number 5. She reveals herself. Your detachment doesn't just change her, it exposes her. The mask falls. She seeks attention elsewhere, posting more, flirting subtly, tries jealousy, pulls emotional strings. Why? Because your power threatens her control. She never thought you'd walk. You weren't in her heart. You were her backup plan. The second you stopped being that, game over. Number 6. Detachment freedom. Detachment isn't indifference, it's self-mastery. You can love without losing yourself, care without collapsing. A man who masters this unmanipulable free. Number 7. The final truth. When she realizes you've lost interest, it's not the end, it's her test. Will she match your value or disappear and prove your decision right? Your silence echoes louder than arguments. Your calm speaks more than messages. Let her wonder. Let her finally see the man she thought she had wrapped around her finger was a lion walking his own path. Brothers, masculinity isn't being emotionless. It's being unmoved by what doesn't serve you. If this hit deep and you want more on reclaiming your frame when she feels the shift, smash subscribe. Drop your detachment story below. I read everyone. Let's build that unbreakable masculine core together.